So you thought Next.js was the only game in town. In 2025, web developers are swimming in frameworks, each claiming to solve all your problems, except the fact that your stakeholder keeps changing requirements mid-sprint. First up, we have Remix. Built on React Router, Remix is like Next.js' artsy cousin. It's fast, dynamic, and really into progressive enhancement. Translation? It works even when your users have Wi-Fi slower than a potato. Reasons why you might love it. Nested routing, so modular, you'll wonder why you ever settled for flat routes. Built-in caching, because nobody likes waiting, and progressive enhancement, which is basically tech speak for it'll probably still work on your grandma's phone. But Remix isn't perfect. It's not exactly your go-to for static site generation. So if your app is all about dynamic content, Remix might be for you. Next, meet BitHarmony. This one isn't just a framework, it's more like a philosophy. You build apps by snagging together pluggable aspects. Think Lego, but instead of building a spaceship, you're assembling a multi-tenant SaaS platform. The key features are composable architectures, buzzword gold, aspects, pluggable business features that make you feel like you're working at a unicorn startup, and incremental adoption, because ripping out your existing architecture all at once is a hard pass. If you're managing enterprise-grade modularity or just want to sound fancy in meetings, this one's for you. But fair warning, you'll probably spend more time debating how to structure your aspects than actually coding. Okay, so next, Gatsby. The framework that practically screams SEO optimization. It's the Ferrari of static site generators. Why Gatsby works so well. Incremental builds for faster deployments, a plugin ecosystem so vast that you'll get lost before you find the one you need, and of course the built-in SEO features, because ranking on Google is still the name of the game. But here's the kicker. Gatsby isn't great for dynamic apps, so if you're building a personal blog or a marketing site, perfect. If you're building the next Facebook, good luck with that. Have you ever wanted server-side rendering without wanting to rip your hair out over Webpack configs? Say hello to Razzle. Why you'll like Razzle. No config, zero, nada, just code. Full SSR support for those fancy universal apps, and it's flexible enough to customize when you decide you want to get fancy. But be warned, Razzle doesn't hold your hand with features like some other frameworks. You'll need to know what you're doing, or at least know someone who does. Ever wish you could just hit a button and have a full stack app appear? Meet Redwood.js, the framework that wants to be your team's personal assistant. What makes Redwood.js cool? Built-in GraphQL, because REST is so 2015, Prisma, ORM for all of your database needs, and rapid prototyping so you can ship that MVP before your client changes their mind again. Redwood is perfect for startups or small teams who just want to get stuff done. But if you're building something massive, its opinionated architecture might feel more like a straitjacket. So there you have it, 5 powerful alternatives to Next.js in 2025. From Gatsby's SEO wizardry to Remix's dynamic rendering, there's something for everyone. Whether you're building the next big SaaS platform, a static blog, or content-driven website, these frameworks prove that the Next.js isn't the only player in town.